Hi everyone, welcome back to Fateful Customs. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're not, keep watching. In today's episode, we are going to work on the oil leak that we have. We're going to assess the problem. I have a brand new engine gasket that we're going to replace the old one with. Okay guys, so I just showed you what you need to take off. You need to take off the exhaust bolts, the front bolts to remove the pan. I'm going to show you guys why we need to remove it, because under the pan there's two exhaust bolts, there's two brackets that need to be removed prior to taking out the oil pan. I'm going to show you guys and then we're going to take them off right away. Also, I got a ski mask because it's cold. And there's a lot of oil and debris there, so I don't want to get my face. I'm gonna put safety glasses on right now, and safety first. Okay, so as you guys can see right here, the oil pan interferes. Okay, that's so rusty. And these are two brackets there. We're gonna have to take out another bracket somewhere around here. So first we have to loosen up these. Oh my god, those are rusty. Yeah, we're gonna have to remove it from here. We're gonna have to take these two off, and then there should be more. Can't see because I'm not all the way under. And we'll also have to. We're gonna have to take out, drain the oil first too. So I'm gonna start by taking this stuff off, and then we're gonna work that way. Guys, I hate this car. Alright guys, so we need to remove this bolt here, so we can remove this from here and we can lower this. But guess what? This is so rusted out. These brackets are not even connected to this. And then look at this over here. Freaking, it already rusted out here. So we're just gonna, I might just cut it here. This, we bring you a whole brand new pipe. This, I've changed it before. This is so rusty, dude. That's crazy, man. Okay guys, so few wise words from your boy. Nothing in life is ever easy. Look at this. Those are rusted shut. Holy cow. I tried fire with this one. It just heated up, no bulge. So I'm gonna just pull the dolls off, cut it up here. Cut down here, which I already cut. Take this crap out. Alright guys, so we're gonna take out all these bolts. First we're gonna crack them loose. By the way, please don't go back and forth. Has to go in a star like this, and here, and here, and here. We're gonna start with one here. I'm gonna start from the corner. What the heck? Oh crap. No, we died. Hi guys, so I'm back. I just took out the clutch plate. Now we have everything accessible to take out the oil pan. Before you do that, make sure you removed all the oil, because if not, it's gonna make a big mess. And if you just turn on your car and you just turned it off, that could literally burn you, so be careful. Please take precautions all the time. Also, don't forget to wear your safety glasses in case oil does fall on your eye. You know, be in a good mood. And if your situation is like mine, that you live in the Rust Belt, GG's in the chat. We're gonna remove the oil now. I got a bucket here. Hopefully it doesn't make a big mess. So it's a size 16, everyone. Crap. Hey everyone, so I hope you could hear me, and I hope you could hear this process that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do like an ASMR. So we're gonna bust the nuts loose, and then we're gonna have to use it. So I'm gonna break them loose with the ratchet. and then the drill. So let's get. Oh, hopefully it's not too loud, the drill. So we're gonna start from this side in the middle. Oh. Last two are up here. We're gonna have to get the mic out. Down here. And they're up here. There's 2, 3, I think it's 3. Alright guys, so we have it out and we're gonna visually inspect. Oh crap. We're going to visually inspect this, and so far, I mean, yeah, it's a little dirty, but from what I could tell, everything looks good. There's definitely some oil leaks around here, around the gasket, because you could see it from there. Like there's oil residue everywhere here. So let's see what's in the pan, and then we're gonna call it a night. Hey everybody, so this is what the oil pan looks like. Surprisingly, it's actually very clean. I was expecting at least a little bit of metal shavings or something. But look at the gasket. It looks like either there was no gasket or the gasket is stuck on the freaking thingy. We do see some RTV right there. But most of this is freaking oil residue here. Hi guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Unfortunately, I cannot replace the engine gasket because it has not arrived. Unfortunately, I have to cut it short and I'm going to show it onto the next part. But the most important part was the oil pan, making sure there's no metal shavings inside. And good news, fortunately for me, that there isn't any metal shavings at all. Except for like one, it looks like a toenail. In the next episode, I will show you guys me putting everything back together in a short little time lapse. I hope you liked this video. Like and comment. Please subscribe to my channel. We reached 100 subscribers. So that's about it. And if you'd like to support me, check out my website. It will be in the link below. Until then, see you until the next episode. See you in the next episode. It is so freaking cold. Do you guys see that?